Miguel Cardoso has heaped praise on Roland Mugana's tactical approach after Mamelodi Sundowns were held to a frustrating 0-0 draw by MC Alger in their CAF Champions League Group C showdown on Friday night. The stalemate in Algiers marked Sundowns' first drop points in the season's group stage, while MC Alger secured a vital result after their opening day defeat to Al Hilal. The match also carried added intrigue as Mukwena faced his former club for the first time since their split over a year ago. Despite the draw, Masandawana remained top of the group, though the standings may shift depending on results elsewhere. Cardoso, who had predicted a tense and emotional charged battle given MC Alger's passionate home crowd, said the match lived up to the expectations in quality and competitive intensity. Speaking to Far Post after the game, the Portuguese mentor expressed admiration for Santan's structure and the tactical duel that unfolded. He said, "I think it was a beautiful match, played by two good teams. Sundowns should be proud of the performance we delivered." He highlighted MC Alger's defensive organization as a key factor in keeping visitors at bay. He said MC Alger's strategy was excellent. They closed the middle with the diamond, denying us access to spaces we usually thrive in. Both teams wanted to play inside, and that's where the big battle was. Cardoso praised the discipline, organization, and emotional maturity from both sides in what he described as a fantastic ambience, and said the pressure, the organization, both teams showed maturity. We would have loved 3 points, but we'll take one and prepare for the future. Sundowns coach Rolando Mukwena has previously emphasized the difficulty of navigating Group C, noting its unusual strength and balance. He said, "We are one of two groups that have 3 league champions. That tells you everything about the level. Only FC Limpopo finished as runners-up. The rest won their leagues." Mukwena, however, insists Sundowns remain confident in their pedigree and ambitions, and said, "We understand the club we represent. We want to improve on last season, and it starts with qualifying from the group match by match. With several clubs in the group having reached the quarterfinals or beyond in last season's competition, the margin for error is narrow." MC Alger, with just 1 point from their opening 2 fixtures, now face a demanding road to qualification. They will need maximum points in their remaining matches while hoping rivals slip up. Sundowns, runner-up to Pyramids FC last season, are equally eager to secure one of the 2 knockout spots and mount another deep run in the tournament. Meanwhile, Lupopo, beaten 3-1 by Sundowns in Pretoria, take on Al Hilal on Sunday in a clash expected to shape the composition of the group. Hilal will be pushing for 3 more points, while Lupopo urgently need their first win. With all 4 teams still in contention, Group C remains on a knife edge, precisely the kind of drama the CAF Champions League is known for. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.